Is this hair tool really a L'Oreal Steampod dupe? We're gonna find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today I'm going to be trying this flat iron from L'ange. This is the L'ange Le Vapour. I definitely did not pronounce that correctly, but you guys know what I mean. And this is supposed to be kind of like a L'Oreal Steampod dupe. But the only thing is that this is $200. I was able to get a very nice discount. I think it was like a Black Friday discount that I used or something that they had on their website. They might even have another discount right now going on. I feel like they always have sales, so I'm gonna link down below their website if you guys want to check out their stuff. But the original price of this hair tool is $200. So let's see if it's actually worth it, and let's see if this is just as good or even better than the L'Oreal Steampod. If you guys want me to do a side-by-side comparison of this and the L'Oreal Steampod, let me know. But I just wanted to try it first on its own just to really like see how this works. So let's open this up. So you get gloves, which I literally never use. I am so bad with putting gloves on my hands to do my hair. I am just so used to not using them, so I never use these. But it also brings this little bottle to put the water in there, and I guess like little covers for the plates. So here's the hair tool. It looks very, very nice. It looks like really nice quality. You gotta take this cap off and you put the water in through here. So this already is a little bit different than the L'Oreal Steampod. With the L'Oreal Steampod, you take out the little water container thingy in the hair tool, and then you put the water in there and then reattach it to the hair tool. With this one, you cannot detach it and you have to directly put the water in here. So I'm gonna fill this up and we're gonna put some water in the hair tool. Okay, so we're gonna do a pass in the heat setting 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see how this works. Yeah, you can definitely see and hear the steam coming out a little bit. Ooh, that steam was like right on my face. Yeah, you can definitely feel it. Okay, so I feel like my hair looks pretty smooth for the most part, but I was expecting my hair to be like pin straight. Like when I use a straightener, I'm expecting my hair to be like super straight, and I don't know, I feel like my hair feels soft, which is nice, but it is straight. But I don't know, I'm not getting that like straightener effect, and my hair is already pretty straight to begin with. So I'm just gonna keep doing my hair. You see how this is pretty smooth, but it doesn't look super straight. Let's see if the flat iron can make it super straight, because that is why I use a flat iron to begin with. Like I want my hair to be very, very sleek. You can definitely see the steam coming out. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Let's see. It definitely looks better. It looks a lot more straight. I'm gonna do this section right here. I really, really love how shiny my hair looks right now. I did use this Drybar liquid glass on this side of my hair. I mean, it was looking shiny before, but after I did pass that straightener, it looks a little bit shinier in my opinion. Just gonna keep doing the hair, and I'm actually gonna do a couple of curls as well, just to see how this curls your hair, because I feel like this is gonna give you very nice, healthy looking bouncy curls. I'm looking forward to doing the curls with this hair tool, and this is a 1-inch straightener, so you are supposed to get pretty nice bouncy defined curls. This just kind of burned my finger a little bit. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but the steam just kind of burned my finger a little bit, and yeah, that definitely hurt, so be careful with that. I like how I'm able to get very close to the roots. Wow, look at that shine. I feel like my hair definitely looks a little bit more straight. I feel like the steam really makes the hair look a lot healthier. This is supposed to give you very soft results because of the steam. So far, I'm actually liking it. Maybe I just gotta get the hang of it because I'm so used to my other straighteners that don't have that steaming effect. As you can see, I do have some waves coming through right here at the roots. So we're gonna flatten that out a little bit. This definitely gets very hot, and you gotta be careful with that steam because it can really burn your fingers. So be very, very careful. I feel like I probably ran out of water because I don't see the steam coming out as much as before. So I am going to refill this with water, but first I'm going to turn this off. Please turn this off if you have this device. Don't put water in your device when it's turned on. It's just very risky. It's very dangerous. You don't want to do that. So turn it off. Make sure that it is off. And that is something that I like about the L'Oreal Steampod, that you're able to take this off, detach it from the hair tool. You can even leave the hair tool on, detach this, and refill it with water. I just don't like that you have to put the water directly into the hair tool. I'm reading the instructions right now, and it even says right here to not put water in the hair tool when it is turned on. Always turn it off. It's turned off, as you can see, it says off. So I'm just gonna refill this with water because it is turned off. It seems like if it has enough water though. You guys can see, you see, it's like full, but I feel like this tank is just a little bit too small because what's going on? I'm trying to put more water in here and it's not filling up. It's full, so there's nothing I can do. Anyways, I'm going to finish straightening my hair and then I'll come back and do a couple of curls. So I'm straightening my hair and I just got this red warning. So I'm gonna read the instructions and see what that means. I don't think that I need to refill the tank with water. I literally just did that. It's so loud. It won't stop. So let me see what's happening. What is happening? This thing has been beeping for like 5 minutes now and I don't know what to do. I pressed the, oh. It literally doesn't say anything. I don't like that I'm not able to see how much water is in here, so I don't know if it needs water, if it doesn't need water. And the same thing is happening, that it's just not going down. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna hope that nothing happens. I'm gonna hope that it works because I put a little bit more water. Okay guys, I am back and I straightened all my hair. What do you think? I feel like I got a very sleek look. But I do have a couple things that I didn't love about this hair tool, and now I know why the light kept turning on red, because I had to refill the tank, which is just crazy to think because I literally just refilled the tank right before using the straightener again. So I literally had to refill this tank like 5 times and my hair wasn't even curly, like my hair was blown out. So it usually takes me less time to straighten all my hair, but I definitely did not love the whole water tank situation. Number one, you can't see how much water is left. With the L'Oreal Steampod, you can see it. It is clear. You can see everything. With this one, you can't see anything. And I feel like the water tank is like probably like this big. Every time I would put water, it would just fill up way too quickly. Like the water would come out. And yeah, I just feel like this water tank is too small. Like if I were to straighten my hair from curly hair, I would literally have to refill this water tank like at least 10 times. And that is just crazy. Because on top of that, you have to turn off the hair tool because it's not safe to put the water in the hair tool when it's on, obviously. So you have to turn it off and then put the water in the tank, turn it back on, and then after like 5 minutes, it's gonna blink red again. And then you gotta turn it off and do the same thing over and over and over again. So it's not that convenient and I did not love that about this hair tool. So I'm going to do a couple of curls just so you guys can see how this curls your hair. I'm going to use the steaming feature and I'm going to take a very small section, maybe like 1 inch, and I'm just going to curl my hair like usual, just very slowly bringing the hair tool down. Another thing that you gotta be careful with this hair tool is that the steam comes out like every 5 seconds. So you have to really take your time with each section so you can get that full steaming effect. Oh, look at that curl. So nice. I love that curl. It feels so soft and it looks so natural. Absolutely love the curls that you get with this hair tool. I'm going to re-straighten my hair because I'm going to leave my hair straight. But yeah guys, overall this hair tool is pretty good. It does give you nice results. It's just that water tank that drives me nuts. It's not the most convenient water tank ever, so that's the only thing that I wish was different about this hair tool. But overall, it does give you very nice results. I literally just filled up the water tank. There has to be something wrong going on with this hair tool. I don't know. I literally just filled up this water tank. I literally just filled it up. But let's see. I'm going to turn off the hair tool. I'm going to turn it off. It's off. I'm going to open this. And let's see if it has water or not. No water. No water. No water. I couldn't even re-straighten this part. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was helpful. I honestly don't think that this is a L'Oreal Steampod dupe. I don't think it's as good as the L'Oreal Steampod. I would just go with this one. If you guys want to purchase this, I am going to link it down below. I really wanted to love this because, I don't know, it just looked very cool and stuff. But yeah, it's just not very user-friendly. I don't know, it's just not my favorite. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I hope that this video was helpful in some way, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.